so the rest of us can simply enjoy the magic, just as the Arctic's first people must have done thousands of years ago. For all the many peoples of the Arctic, the aurora is a reminder of the sun's presence throughout the dark days of winter. But when the sun is below the horizon in the north, it's above it at the southern end of our planet. Here, humanity's history has been very different. Antarctica is far colder than the Arctic, and 99% of its land is permanently blanketed by ice. Antarctica is so utterly remote and inhospitable that no people ever settled here. It was only 200 years ago that the first human beings even glimpsed the vast continent. The first people who crossed the Southern Ocean did so for the same reason that the first people went to the Arctic Ocean, to hunt sea mammals. The populations of whales and seals are only now beginning to recover from 150 years of intensive hunting. But none of those hunters ever tried to venture into the frigid interior of the Antarctic continent. The first successful attempt to do that was made only 100 years ago. This hut was the base for one of the most famous expeditions in polar history. It was from here in 1911 that Captain Scott and his team launched their attempt to be the first people to reach the South Pole.